Here from Pendragon Home Improvements. It is Friday the 3rd of October, and I thought I would see what ChatGPT has got to say about our little business. So, I'm in the free version. I've typed this in. I did a lovely video which didn't record. So here we are again. So, are Pendragon Home Improvements any good? Here's what I found out about Pendragon Home Improvements from Cardiff, South Wales, what seems good and what to watch out for. Right, what looks promising? Very promising reviews, nearly all 5-star. Customers praise things like quality of installation, neatness, professionalism, timely work and good communication. Number 2, family-run local feel. Their customer feedback often highlights that they come across as a family business, more friendly, more personalised service, less hard sell tactics. That often helps with reliability. Number 3, awards and recognition. They've won at least a couple of awards lately. UK Enterprise Awards 2025, Best Family Run Home Improvement Company 2025 South Wales, and Customer Service Excellence Awards 2025. Number 4, transparency and certification. They mention providing fencer certificates. Also, customers say they're kept informed along the process and the paperwork is in order. Number 5, competitive pricing. Not the cheapest, but not the most expensive, and the quality justifies the cost. Number 6, good aftercare. Customers also mention aftercare being good, small issues fixed without fuss, and a clean job done. Ooh, what to consider. Possible drawbacks. Number 1, mostly positive reviews, less info on negatives. Number 2, no big negative red flags found. I didn't find any major complaint threads or consistent problems in my quick search. That's good, but doesn't prove perfection. Well, nobody's perfect. So, number 3, scale and delivery speed. Some customers mention waiting times, although generally seem satisfied when things are done. As with any bespoke window doors company, there may be delays depending on demand. It's worth asking about expected timelines. So, most of our timelines are dictated by our manufacturers. So I spoke to Endurance yesterday, who do our composite doors for us, and they are currently working on a lead time of 4 weeks to get a door to us, or 5 weeks if it is a composite stable door. So that's worth considering when you are looking to replace these things. And that's not just the lead time with us, that will be the lead time with anybody across the UK who is who's delivering and installing Endurance composite doors. Number 4, compare multiple quotes. Well, that's always a good idea, no matter what you're buying. My verdict. Based on what I've seen, Pendragon Home Improvements appears to be a legit, well-regarded company with a strong reputation in their area. If you're looking for new windows or doors, especially UPVC or composite, they seem trustworthy, good craftsmanship, good customer service, and proper certification. If I were you considering using them, I'd, number 1, get a detailed written quote specifying all materials, finishing, guarantees. Well, we always provide a written quote unless people have just asked for an indication of cost. So that will detail everything. It will show you the inside and outside of your window. If we've got images then of your home, then we will superimpose the new windows over your home, so you've got a nice visualization of what you can expect. Number 2, ask about warranties. So our manufacturers all offer a 10-year guarantee or 10-year warranty on their products. So number 3, ask for references or look at specific earlier installations near you. Now, our Google reviews will give you a clear idea of the kind of company that we are and the kind of people that you would be working with. We are a small family-run business. It is myself, Kay, and my husband, Jules. Jules does the sales and gets out and about, and I'm in the office doing all the admin. We've got a dedicated team or dedicated teams of window installers who have loads of experience. Number 4, clarify timelines clearly: when order, when manufacture, when install. Again, that depends on the time of year, but at the moment, like I said, Endurance are quoting us 4 weeks lead time to get a door to us. And there we go. ChatGPT seems to think we're pretty okay.